Today we're going to discuss how to create a shortcut on your phone's home screen for the Viessmann Pro Resources website, which will allow you access to Viessmann product documentation and more. So you're going to want to start with opening your browser, typing in Viessmann-us.com. Once you pull up the page, click on the menus icon, then select Pro Resources. Once the Pro Resources page loads up, go ahead and select the Share button, which looks like a square box with an arrow. Scroll down to where it says Add to Home Screen, and then select Add. Thanks for watching.